different sides. So y we can cancel easily. So select first and second equation by adding first and second equation. For equation you have to circle first and second equation. So write down the first and second equation. X plus y plus z is equal to 5. And then second equation 2x minus y plus z is equal to 9 by adding. So add first and second equation. For addition you need not change any sign. Okay, now we have different symbol, so strike out. Okay, plus and minus. 1y minus 1y, it is 0, cancel. Here we have only x, so that we have 1 here. 1 plus 2, it is 3x plus 1z and again 1z, so it is 2z. And 9 plus 5, it is 14. Consider this as fourth equation. Okay, then we can take third equation, that is x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 16. Either you can choose second equation or first equation. So I am going to take first equation. Why? Because here we have minus and plus. Okay, so different sign is here. So we can choose third and first. But we don't have 2y. Here we have 2y. Here it is only y. That is variable only y. To convert this, first you write third. We are selecting third and first equation. Third and first equation. What we are going to do? Add. Okay. So write third equation. X minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 16. Okay. In first equation, we have to cancel y, variable y. Here we have only 1y. To convert this, you have to multiply the entire equation into 2. So write first equation is multiplied by 2. Here even you can write third equation. We didn't do anything, so write as 1. Third equation is multiplied by 1. Okay, first equation is multiplied into 2. Multiply 2 into x, 2x plus 2 into y, 2y plus 2 into z, 2z is equal to 2 into 5, 10. Okay, now you can see 2y and 2y. We can cancel easily, isn't it? Here cancel. So 2 plus 1, it is 3x plus 2 plus 3, 5z is equal to 26. Okay, taking this as fifth equation. Keep in mind, while you are cancelling first and second and third and first, take same variable so that it will be very easy for cancelling the next fourth and fifth. Okay, don't change the variable. Okay, here we can see 3x in fourth equation. 3x plus 2z is equal to 14, and again in fifth equation 3x plus 5z is equal to 26. We can select 3x, isn't it? We have same variable and the constant value is also same. So we can select cancelling 3x. So that what we have to do, we have same symbol 3x, 3x. If we add, it will be going as 6x. So we have to subtract. We'll see what we can do. Take fourth and the fifth equation and write as we are going to do subtraction. Subtract fourth and the fifth equation. So fourth equation 3x plus 2z is equal to 14. Okay, and here in fifth equation 3x plus 5z is equal to 26. For subtraction, you have to change the sign for all the variables. Here it is plus 3x, I am giving minus 3x. Here it is plus 5z, so you have to give minus. And here also minus. Now see, plus 3x minus 3x cancel. You have different symbol. So 5 minus 2 is 3z, which is greater, 2 or 5. 5 is greater, so give minus 3z. Okay? Equal to 26 minus 14. 26 is greater, so write that symbol first. 26 minus 14 is 2 and then 1. Okay? Here both the sides we have minus symbol, cancel, keep z around 12. Here variable and constant value together, multiplication, if it goes to the right side, it goes for division. So therefore z is equal to how many times it is 12? 3 4s are 12. So cancel 3 1s are 3 4s are. Therefore z is equal to 4. Okay? We got the first value of z is equal to 4. Using this z is equal to 4, we are going to solve the value of x and y. Before going to find the x and y, we can see here 3x plus 2z. We have only two variables. Solve from that. We can apply the value of z so that we can get the value of x. So either you can take fourth equation or fifth equation. I am going with fourth equation. Write as substituting z is equal to 4 in any one of the equation. Okay, fourth or fifth. So I am taking fourth equation. Write fourth equation. Fourth equation is equal to 3x plus 2z is equal to 14. 3x plus 2. In the place of z, here we have written 4. Give the value of z. This multiplication. Here we have multiplication. Use bracket. 4 is equal to 14. 3x plus 2 4s are 8 is equal to 14. Now have this 3x and take plus 8 to the right side. 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8 is 6. And keep this variable x. Take this 3 to the right side. Here it is a multiplication sign. While it moves to the right side, it goes for division. 3 1s are 3 2s are. Therefore, x is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2. Now we have found easily the value of z as well as the value of x. Now we can apply in three variables. Either you can take first equation, second equation or third equation. It is very easy for us to choose the proper equation so that it will not confuse you. So I am going to take first equation. X plus y plus z is equal to 5. Take substituting. Substituting x is equal to 2 and z is equal to 4 in first equation. Taking first equation, x plus y plus z is equal to 5. For x, give the value of 2 plus y. We didn't find, we are going to find y. For value of z, it is 4 is equal to 5. Now we can see 2 constant values. 2 plus 4, it is 6. Y plus 6 is equal to 5. Having y around to the left side, 5. Take plus 6. While it moves to the right side, it goes for subtraction. Now you can see 5 minus 6. So subtract 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. 6 is greater, give minus 1. Therefore, y is equal to minus 1. At last we have found x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1 and z is equal to 4. That's all. Now let us move on to second sub question. 1 by x minus 2y plus 4 equal to 14. Here you can see in each and every equation one variable is missing. Here we don't have z, and here x, and here we don't have y. So, and a new format is given, that is in fraction form, 1 by x, 1 by z, 2 by z. So to make it simple, 1 by x can be considered as a. Likewise, 1 by y we can consider as b, and 1 by z can be considered as c. Okay. Now 1 by x, so we can take as a. Here we have only 1, so write a. And minus 2y, so it is b, 2b, minus 2b plus 4, and it moves to the right side, goes as minus 4. Taking this as first equation. Okay. 1 by y is b, so write b, and 1 by z is minus z. So here 1 by z we have taken as c, so write minus c. Okay. Plus 1, when it moves to the right side, it goes as minus 1. Taking this as second equation. Okay. 2 by z is 1 by z as comes as c. So 2 by z it is 2c. Plus 3 by x. 3 by x is 3a. Is equal to 14. Taking this as third equation. Now we have simplified the equation. Let us solve and find out what is the value of a, b and c. That is 1 by x, 1 by y and 1 by z. So taking first and second equation. Take first and second equation by adding first and second equation. A plus a minus 2b is equal to minus 4. Taking second equation, b minus c is equal to minus 1. b minus c is equal to minus 1. Okay. In the place of a, use 0, and here also in the place of c, use 0. Okay. Now we can see we have different variables. We are not able to cancel either a, b or c. So to make it simple, multiply second equation into 2. Second equation into 2. 2 into 0 is 0. 2 into b is 2b. 2 into c is 2c. 1 into 2 is 2. Okay. And here we multiply with 1. So that it remains as is. Now we can see we have different symbol, that is plus, minus. So b cancel. A plus 0 is a, and plus minus 2c minus 2c is equal to same sign and minus 6. Taking this as fourth equation. Now already we have put first and second equation, isn't it? Now let us go on with third equation. 2c plus 3a. Here in the fourth equation also we have a and c variables. So straight away we can go with fourth and the third equation. 2c. 2c is already we have negative symbol minus 2c. Here we have plus 2c. So it will be very easy for us to solve this one. So now take fourth and the third equation. And okay. A minus 2c is equal to minus 6, and third equation 2c 3a is equal to 14. Here 2c is plus. Now we have different sign, so plus 2c minus 2c cancel. 3a and 1a, that is 4a is equal to substitute the value of a is equal to 2 in fourth equation, so that we can substitute the value of a and we will find the value of c in fourth equation. A minus 2c is equal to minus 6. A is 2 minus 2c is equal to minus 6. Keep this 2c along here, minus 6, while this plus 2 goes to the right side, goes as minus 2. Same sign, so add minus 8. Keep this c, take this 2 along to the right side, it goes as division. So minus minus cancel, therefore c is equal to 2 4s are 8. C is equal to 4. And then let us substitute the value of a is equal to 2 and c is equal to 4 in any one of the equation. Either you can check accordingly any one of the equation which has 3 variables. Here all the equations has only one variable. So we can substitute any one of the variables. Here to find b you can use first equation. To find b, take first equation, a minus 2b is equal to minus 4. What is a? A is 2 minus 2b is equal to minus 4. Minus 2b is equal to minus 4. Minus 2 when it goes here, it goes as plus 2. When it goes to the right side, it goes as minus 2. Minus 6. And keep this b alone. Take this 2, goes as division. Therefore, b cancel. B is equal to 2 1s are 2 3s are. Therefore, b is equal to 3. At last, we have found the value of a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 4. But the question here is, we have to find 1 by x is equal, we have considered 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b and 1 by z is equal to c. So that the answer will be 1 by x. We have found a is equal to 2. So therefore 1 by x is equal to 1 by 2 and 1 by y is equal to the value 1 by y, that is b. What the value of b is 1 by 3 and 1 by z is equal to the value of c is 4. So 1 by 4. Okay. Question number 3. X plus 20 is equal to 3y by 2 plus 10 is equal to 2z plus 5 is equal to 110 minus y plus z. Here you can see it is given in a full form. We don't have first, second and third equation. Now let us first try to find out the equations first, second and third. So that first of all you take x plus 20 is equal to 3y by 2 plus 10. Then again you take 3y by 2 plus 10 is equal to 2z plus 5 and again take 2z plus 5 is equal to 110 minus y plus z. So now let us move on to the solution. X plus 20 is equal to 3y by 2 plus 10. Okay, and here you can see x plus 20. Take this variable here, that is x plus 3y. It will become minus 3y by 2 is equal to 10. 20 when it goes to the right side, it will become minus 20. Okay, and 10 minus 20 is minus 10. 3y by 2. 3y by 2. Okay, to make it equal, solve, multiply with 2 to both right side as well as the left side. 2 into x, 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 20. Taking this as first equation. Okay. And now let us find equation number 2. Now take 3y by 2 plus 10 is equal to 2z plus 5. Okay. 3y by 2, take this plus 10 to the right side and 2z to the left side. Plus 2z will become minus 2z is equal to 5, plus 10 will become minus 10. Different sides, subtract 5 minus 10 is minus 5, minus 2z and 3y by 2. As we did earlier, multiply with 2 to both right and left side. So 3y minus 2 into z, that is 4z is equal to 5 2s are 10. We got second equation. Likewise, we can find out third equation. For third equation, 2z plus 5 is equal to 110 minus y plus z. Okay? And here 2z plus 5 is equal to 110 multiplied with this minus into y minus y plus into minus minus z. Okay? Now take 2z. Here we have one more z minus z. When it comes to the left side, it will become plus z. And take this constant value plus 5 to the right side. So 110 minus 5. And here you have one more variable, that is minus y. Minus y will become plus 5. Okay? So 2z and z, that is 3z plus 5 is equal to 110 minus 5 is 105. Okay? Now we have found third equation. Here you can find the variable z and y in second equation also. So we can move with third equation and second equation to find either the value of z or y. Okay? Now taking third equation, 3z plus y is equal to 105, and second equation 3y minus 4z is equal to minus 10. Now we have only y here in the third equation, and in the second equation we have 3y. It will be very easy for us to cancel variable y, so that to make it even, third equation should be multiplied with 3, so that we can cancel y. So 3 into 3 is 9z plus 3 into y, 3y is equal to 3 into 105. By 3s are 15, 1, 3 into 0, 0, 1, 1 3s are 315. Taking second equation, 3y minus 4z, write the variable 3y in that proper place, 3y and minus 4z is equal to minus 10. Now you can see we have even symbol, so it is unable to cancel for us. To cancel, use subtraction. If you have different symbol, use addition. If you have same symbol for cancellation, use subtraction. Change the sign for all the terms. 9z plus 4z is 13z plus 3 minus 3 cancel, and here plus and plus. So add 315 plus 10, it will be 325. Okay? We have z is equal to 325 divided by 13. Therefore, z is equal to and you can divide 325 by 13. 13 into, so 13 into 2 is 26. 13 into 2, 26. Reminder, 12 minus 6 is 6. Taking next number 65. So 13 into 5, that is 5 3s are 15, 1 5s are 5, 5 plus 1 6. So it is 64. Okay. So therefore Z is equal to 25. Now you can substitute the value of Z in any one of the equation, either it will be on second equation or third equation. We'll go with second equation or third equation. Go with the second equation. Substituting Z is equal to 25 in second equation. 3y minus 4z is equal to minus 10. 3y minus 4z. 4z is 25 is equal to minus 10. 3y minus 5 4 into 25 is 100. 5 4s are 20, 0, 2, 4 2s are 8, 9 and 10 is equal to minus 10. And keep 3y alone in the left side, minus 10, while 100 moves to the right side will be plus 100. So different sign you have to subtract. 100 minus 10 is 90 and keep y alone. Here 3y, this is multiplication sign. While it goes to the right side, it goes as division. Okay, and y is equal to 3 3s are 9. So cancel 3 3s are 9 and add the 0. 3 1s are. So y is equal to 30. Now we have find the value of z as well as y. Applying any one of the equation, either it will be first, second or third equation. Okay, we go with first equation. First equation, 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 20. Okay, and y is equal to 30. 2x minus 3y. In the place of y, apply 30 is equal to minus 20. 2x minus 3 3s are 9, 0 is equal to minus 20. 2x is equal to minus 20 minus 90. When it moves to the right side, it will become plus 90. Different sign. So subtract. 90 minus 20 is 70. 90 is greater, so it will be plus 70. Have epsilon here. Take 2 to the right side. It goes as division because it is in multiplication sign here. So x is equal to 70. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Remaining 1. 5 2s are 10. So therefore x is equal to 35. Therefore x is equal to 35. Y is equal to 30. And z is equal to 25. Question number 2. Discuss the nature of solution of the following system of equation. Here we have given 3 equations. Consider this one as first, second and the third. Taking first equation and the third equation, x plus 2y minus z is equal to 6, and second equation minus 3x minus 2y plus 5z is equal to minus 12. Here we can see 2y plus 2y and minus 2y. So we will add 1 and 2. The signs are same, we have to subtract. Okay. So minus symbol. Different sign, 5 minus 1 is 4. 5 is greater, use plus, is equal to different sign, 12 minus 6 is 6. 12 is greater, minus 6. Okay. All comes under two tables. So divide the 2 to simplify the equation. So minus x plus 2 2s are 4, 2z is equal to 2 3s are 6. Taking this as fourth equation. Okay. And now we will go with third and fourth equation. Third and fourth. Third equation is x minus 2z. Here also in fourth equation we have x and z. So take third equation, x minus 2z is equal to 3, and here minus x plus 2z is equal to minus 3. Plus minus cancel, plus minus cancel, plus minus cancel. Here we are asked us to discuss the nature of solution. We did not find the value of x, y and z. So nature of solution, if you get all the variable as 0, the system of equation it has infinitely many solutions. Question number 2. 2y plus z is equal to 3 minus x plus 1. We can convert this into equation. So 2y plus z is equal to, multiply with this 3 plus 3 into minus x is equal to minus 3x plus 1 3s are 3. Now taking minus 3 to the left side, that is 3x plus 2y plus z is equal to 3 as first equation. Okay. In second equation, here we have minus x plus 3y minus z is equal to minus 4. It's already simplified. So taking this as second equation. Equation number 3. Here 3x plus 2y plus z is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 multiplied with this 2 to the left side. So it will become 3 2s are 6x plus 2 2s are 4y plus 1 2s are 2 into z 2z is equal to minus 1. Taking this as third equation. First, taking first and the second equation. First equation is 3x plus 2y plus z is equal to 3. And second equation, minus x plus 3y minus z is equal to minus 4. Now we can see plus z and minus z, cancel plus z minus z, and remaining plus 3x minus x is 2x. Same sign, and 2 plus 3 5y is equal to different sign, subtract minus 1. Taking this as fourth equation. Okay, then go with first equation and third equation. First and the third equation. 3x plus 2y plus z is equal to 3 and 6x. You can see 3 and 6. So first equation we can multiply with 2. 3 2s are 6. So that it will make even. So the third equation. So first equation is multiplied into 2. 2 3s are 6x plus 2 2s are 4y plus 2z is equal to 2 3s are 2 2s are, here 2 3s are 6. And taking third equation into You can see 6x plus 4y plus 4y plus 2z plus 2z. If you add, you will be getting all the variables together, that is 12x, 8y and 4z. So we can't able to solve. Let us subtract first and third equation. So use subtraction. Subtract, change the symbol. Okay, plus 6 minus 6 cancel, plus 4 minus 4 cancel, plus 2z minus 2z cancel. Here we have same sign, that is plus 7. Provided variables, it is 0. So therefore 0 is not equal to 7 and inconsistently it has no solution. Question number 3, y plus z divided by 4 is equal to z plus x by 3 is equal to x plus y by 2. So already we have did the same formation of sum earlier. So take first and second. To find the first equation, here y plus z divided by 4 is equal to z plus x divided by 3. Multiply with 3 in the left hand side and with 4 to the right side. 3 into y, 3y plus 3 into z, 3z is equal to 4 into z, 4z plus 4 into x, 4x. 4x plus 4x will become minus 4x plus 3y plus 3z. Here plus 4z will become minus 4z is equal to 0. Minus 4x plus 3y, different sign, subtract. 3z minus 4z is 1z is equal to 0. That is taking this as first equation. Minus 4x plus 3y minus z is equal to 0. For second equation, considering z plus x by 3 is equal to x plus y divided by 2. Cross multiply 2 into z, 2z plus 2 into x, 2x is equal to 3 into x, 3x is equal to 3 into y, 3. And 3x plus 3x will become minus 3x plus 2x plus 3y will become minus 3y plus 2z. As it goes everything to the left side, it will become 0. Different sign, subtract. Minus x minus 3y plus 2z is equal to 0. Taking this as second equation. Okay. And then for the third equation, it is given already. X plus y plus z is equal to 27. X plus y plus z is equal to 27. Taking this as third equation. Okay. Now let us go with first equation with second equation. Minus 4x plus 3y minus z. Check out any variable we can cancel. Minus x, 4x plus 3y minus 3y. So variable y we can cancel easily. So take first and second equation. Okay. Minus 4x plus 3y minus z is equal to 0. And second equation, minus x minus 3y plus 2z is equal to 0. Plus minus cancel, same sign, and minus 5x, different sign, subtract 1z plus 2z. Here we have minus, so plus z is equal to 0. Taking this as fourth equation. Okay, again we can check out whether we can cancel y in second or third with first. Minus x minus 3y plus 2z is equal to 0. Here we have x plus y plus z is equal to 27. To cancel y, we have to multiply third equation into 3 so that we can cancel y. Okay, taking third equation is multiplied. First we take second equation is multiplied with 1 minus x minus 3y plus 2z is equal to 0, and third equation is multiplied with 3. 3 into x, 3 into x 3x, and 3 into y 3y plus 3 into z, 3z is equal to 20. 27 3s are 54, 7 3s are 21, remaining 2, 7, 3 2s are 6, 7, 8, 27 3s are 81. Different sign, cancel, and here 3 minus x is 2x, 3 is greater, so it is plus 2x, same sign, and 5z is equal to 81. Taking this as fifth equation. Equation number 4 and 5. If you need to cancel x, you have to multiply 5 with fifth equation and 2 with fourth equation. If you need to cancel z, you have to multiply fourth equation into 5. So you can select any variable. I am going to do with z. So to make it equal here, I am going to multiply with 5. Fourth equation is multiplied with 5. So that 5 into 5 is 25x plus 5 into z. 5z is equal to 5 into 0, 0. So that fifth equation remains as is. Fifth equation into 1 plus 2x plus 5z is equal to 81. Now we have made this variable even, then also if you do subtraction alone we can cancel. So write subtraction, subtracting fourth and fifth equation. For subtraction, nothing else, we have to change the sign. If it is plus, give minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. 25 minus 2 is 23. Here we have same sign. So 25 plus 2 is 27x. Different sign, cancel, is equal to minus 81. Same sign, use minus. Minus minus cancel, x is equal to 81. 27 is in multiplication form, while it moves to the right side it goes for division. Therefore, x is equal to 27. 3s are 27 into 3. Some 3s are 21. Remaining 2. 3 2s are 6. 7, 8. So 27 3s are 27 1. 27 3s are. So therefore, x is equal to 3. To find the value of z, value of z, we can go with fourth or fifth equation and go with fifth equation. So fifth equation, substitute x is equal to 3, 2x plus 5z is equal to 81. X is equal to 3. 2 in the place of x, write 3 plus 5z is equal to 81. 2 3s are 6 plus 5z is equal to 81. 5z is equal to 81 plus 6 will become minus 6. Subtract 11 minus is 5 and 75. 81 minus 6 is 75. Keep this z alone. 5 is in multiplication form. While it moves to the right side, it goes for division. therefore z is equal to 5 ones are and remaining 2, 5 5s are 25. Z is equal to 15. Now we shall go with any one of the equation, either first, second or third equation to find out the value of y. As we already find the value of x and z, we can go with third equation. Substitute x is equal to 3, z is equal to 15 in third equation. X plus y plus z is equal to 27. X is 3 plus y is equal to, we have to find z is equal to 15. Okay, and 27, 15 plus 3, 18, 18 plus y is equal to 27, y is equal to 27 plus 18 will go as minus 18. Therefore, 27 minus 18, so 17 minus 8, that is 9. Therefore, y is equal to 9. As we have value x is equal to 3, y is equal to 9 and z is equal to 15. As the value of x is equal to 3, y is equal to 9 and z is equal to 15, the system of equation is unique. Question number 3. Vani, her father and her grandfather have an average age of 53. One half of her grandfather's age plus 1/3, that is 1/3 of her father's age plus 1/4, 1/4 of Vani's age is 65. If 4 years ago, Vani's grandfather was 4 times, 4 years before Vani's father, 4 times as old as Vani's, and how old are they all now? What's their present age? Let the age of Vani be x and Vani's father's age be y. Vani's grandfather's age be z. Okay? By the first condition, now let us go with first condition. First condition is x plus y plus z is equal to 53. What is given there? Vani, her father and grandfather have an average age of 53. So, what is average? Vani, father and grandfather, all three together, isn't it? So, x plus y plus z, to find average, 1 sum of observation, 3 observations, so divided by 3 is equal to 53. Now, multiply 3 into 53. 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15. So, x plus y plus z is equal to 159. Taking this as first equation. By second condition, 1 half, what is 1 half? 1/2. 1 half of her grandfather's age. Grandfather is z. So 1 half of grandfather, 1/2 z plus and plus 1/3 of her father. Father is y. One is father is y. So 1/3 of father's age, 1/3 y plus 1/4 of Vani's age, 1/4 of Vani, that is x. So 1/2 z plus 1/3 y plus 1/4 x is equal to 65. Taking LCM for all 2, 3 and 4. So 2 ones are 3 as it is, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 and 3. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So by multiplying by 12, LCM is equal to 12. Multiplying by 12, here we have 2. To get 12, we have to multiply with 6. So both to the numerator and denominator. With 3, we have to multiply with 4 to get 12. So multiply with 4. With 4, I have to multiply with 3. Okay? And now you can see 6 ones are 6. likewise same, you have to multiply 65 into 12. So 6z plus 4y plus 3x is equal to 780 even. 1 into 12. So 6z plus 4y plus 3z is equal to 780. Taking in the standard form x, then y and z. To write in the standard form 3x plus 4y plus 6z is equal to 780. That is equation number 2. By third condition, if 4 years ago Vani's grandfather was 4 times as old as Vani. Okay, so here 4 years ago. So we use subtraction z minus 4 is equal to 4 times. So 4x minus 4. Okay, just we multiply 4 into x, 4x. 4 into 4 is 16. Z minus 4 is equal to 4x minus 16. Z minus 4 is equal to 4x minus 16. Taking 4x to the right side, left side. So plus 4x will become minus 4x plus z is equal to minus 16 minus 4 when it goes to right side it will become plus 4. Different sign subtract minus 12. So minus 4x plus z is equal to 12. Here we can see it has given us minus 4x. So to remove minus, so it will become plus 4x, plus will become minus z, minus will become plus 12. Taking this as third equation. Okay, already we have written first and second equation. Let us continue with third equation. Third equation is 4x minus z is equal to 12. 4x minus z is equal to 12. Now first we will take first and second equation so that we can cancel either x, y or z. So I am going to cancel y. So to cancel y we have to multiply with 4 to first equation. First equation is multiplied with 4 gives 4 into x plus 4 into y plus 4 into z is equal to 9 4s are 36, remaining 3, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 3, 23, remaining 2, 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 2, 6. And in second equation, it must remain as it is. So multiply with 1, 3 into x, 3x plus 4y plus 6z is equal to 780. Okay, here we have same sign. So we can't able to cancel. We can go with subtraction. If you write subtraction, you have to change the symbol for all the terms. Here it is plus, we have to give minus. It is plus, minus, plus, minus. Change the sign. Now 4 minus 3 is 1, 1x plus 4 minus 4 cancel. 6 minus 4 is 2, 6 is greater. So minus 2z is equal to 780. 780 minus 636. So subtract 10 minus 6 is 4, 7 minus 3 is 4, 7 minus 6 1, 144. 780 is greater, so it is minus 144. Taking this as fourth equation. Now in third equation and fourth equation we can see same variable. In third equation 4x minus z is equal to 12 and here it is given x minus 2z is equal to 144. Third equation is 4x plus minus z is equal to 12. z is equal to 140. For cancelling, we need to multiply fourth equation into 4. If we need to cancel z, we have to multiply 2 with third equation. We can go with cancelling z. So third equation multiplied by 2, so that 2 4s are 8, 8x minus 2 into z, 2z is equal to 12 2s are 24. And fourth equation, 2 must remain as it is, so did not multiply with any number, write as it is, so multiply with 1 into x minus 2z is equal to minus 144. And again we have same sign, so if it is same sign we can't able to cancel, you have to do subtraction. Subtracting second and fourth equation, change the sign. 8 minus 1, that is 7x plus minus, so it is cancel, is equal to same sign, plus 24 plus 144, 168. X is equal to 168. 7 goes here to right side as division. So x is equal to 7 times 7 ones are 7, 2s are 14, remaining will have 2, so it will become 28, 7 4s are 28, x is equal to 22. So now let us substitute the value of x in third or fourth equation. Now substituting the value of x, x is equal to 24 in third equation. So 4 x is equal to 24 minus z is equal to 12. 4 4s are 16, 1 4 2s are 8, 9 minus z is equal to 12, minus z is equal to 12, plus 96 will become minus 96. 12 minus 96 is 84, minus 84, because 96 is greater, minus z, minus minus cancel, therefore z is equal to 84. Now we know the value of x, that is 24, and z is equal to 84. Let us substitute that in first equation. First equation, x plus y plus z is equal to 159. So value of x is 24 plus y plus z is equal to 84. 159. And 84 and 24. 4 and 4 is 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 108 plus y is equal to 159. Y is equal to 159 plus 108 will become minus 108. Subtract 159 minus 108. 9 minus 8, 1, 5. So 51. So x, one is ages 24 and her father's age is 51 and her grandfather's age is 84. Question number 4. The sum of the digits of 3-digit number is 11. If the digits are reversed, the new number is 46, more than 5 times the old number. If the hundredth digit plus twice the tenth digit is equal to the unit digit, then find the original 3-digit number. Now, let us have the condition that the hundredth digit be x and the tenth digit be y and the unit digit be z. The number is hundredth digit 100x plus tenth digit 10y and unit digit is plus z. When it is reversed, the new number will be, when it is reversed, that is reversed the digits are reversed, the new number is 46 more than 5 times the old number. If the hundreds digit plus twice the tens digit is equal to the unit digits. So here 5 times more than 5 times. So 100z plus 10y plus x, 5 times of the number, 5 times of the first condition, 100x plus 10y plus z. So 5 times plus 46, the new number will be 46. Here 100z plus 10y plus x is equal to 5 into 100, 500 x plus 10, 5 into 10, 50y plus 5 into z, 5z plus 46. Taking all the variables together, that is x minus 500x, then with 10y plus 50y will become minus 50y, then 100z minus 5z is equal to 46. And x minus 500, 499 minus 499x plus and minus different signs. So subtract 50 minus 10 is minus 40y plus and minus different sign, subtract. So plus 95z is equal to 46. Here you can see it is we have negative sign in x. So to convert 499x plus changing all the negative sign. If it is minus, you give plus, plus you have to change minus. So plus 40y minus 95z is equal to minus 46. Okay, and then we can have this as second equation. By third condition, x plus 2y is equal to z. By third condition, the hundreds digit plus twice hundreds digit plus twice the tens digit. Hundreds digit plus twice the tens digit is equal to the unit digit. Unit digit, then you have to find the three digits. So x plus 2y is equal to z. X plus 2y plus z will become minus z is equal to 0. Taking this as third equation. Okay, now taking first and second equation. First equation, here we can cancel z. So multiply first equation with 95. So first equation is multiplied by 95 gives 95 into x, 95x plus 95y plus 95z is equal to 95 into 11. So 95 into 11, 14,045. Taking second equation, write as it is. So multiply with 1. 499x plus 40y minus 95z is equal to minus 46. Now already it is plus and minus. So need not change the sign. We are going to do only add. The signs are same. We have to do subtraction. Okay, now cancel. Same sign, add. 9 plus 5, 14, remaining 1, 9 plus 9, 18 plus 1, 19, remaining 1, 4 plus 1, 5. X plus 5, 9 plus 4, 13, y is equal to 1045 minus 46. 1045 minus 46. 15 is 9. 13 minus 4 is 9. And again 9. So 999. Taking this as fourth equation. You can reduce this equation. So divide by 9. Okay. So 1 9s are 9. 1 9s are 9. 1 9s are 9. Because here 1 9s are 9. Remaining 4. 9 5s are 45. Right. And 9 tables. 9 6 are 54. Remaining 5. Again 9 6 are 52. X plus 15y is equal to 11. We can again reduce. Here you can write the condition divided by 9 gives. And again we can divide by 3. So 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 22x plus 5 3s are 15 y. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Remaining 2 and 7 3s are 21. Taking this as fourth equation. Now taking first and third equation. Why I am taking first and third equation is here we have plus z and minus z. Easily we can cancel. We can have x and y variables. So first and third, first equation x plus y plus z is equal to 11, and third equation x plus 2y minus z is equal to 0. So add, we have different sign, so cancel, plus 1 and 1, it is 2x, same sign, plus 3y is equal to 11. Taking this as fifth equation. Now we have fourth equation, 22x plus 5y are same variables, so take fourth and the fifth equation. So fourth and fifth equation, we can decide either we are going to cancel x or y. So we will go with x. So to cancel x, fourth equation comes as is. So multiply with 1. 22x plus 5y is equal to 37. And fifth equation multiplied with 22. So fifth equation should be multiplied with 11. 11 2s are 22x plus 11 3s are 33y is equal to 11 into 11, 121. We have same sign, so we can't cancel, right, as subtraction. Subtraction, so you have to change the sign. So cancel, plus 22 minus 22x cancel, 33 minus 5, 33 minus 5. So 8 and then 28. 28y, 33 is greater, minus is equal to 121. 121, 37. Subtract 11 minus 7, 4. 11 minus 3, 9. 8, 84. So y is equal to here 121 is greater, so you have to put minus. Minus cancel. So y is equal to 84 by 28. We go with two tables. 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2, 4 2s are 8. Again in two two tables, 2 sevens are 14, 2 twos are 4, 1 twos are 2. So therefore y is equal to 7 ones are 7 threes are. So y is equal to 3. Now let us substitute y is equal to 3 in fifth equation. Either you can take 4 or fifth equation. I will go with fifth equation. Substitute fifth equation. 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. Substitute y is equal to 3. So 2x plus 3, in the place of y you have to use 3 is equal to 11. 2x plus 3 into 3 9 is equal to 11. 2x is equal to 11 plus 9 will become minus 9. So 2x is equal to 11 minus 9 2. Here have x is equal to 2. This 2 will go as division, therefore x is equal to 2 to cancel 1. X is equal to 1. We can substitute x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3 in first equation. Substitute y is equal to 3, x is equal to 1 in first equation. First equation is x plus y plus z is equal to 11. X is 1 and y is equal to 3 plus z is equal to 11. So have z alone. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 goes to the right side, goes as subtraction, so z is equal to 7. Now, then find the original 3-digit number. The original 3-digit number will be x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3 and z is equal to 7. Question number 5. There are 12 pieces of 5, 10 and 20 rupee currencies whose total value is 105. But when the first two are interchanged in the numbers, its value will be decreased by 20. Find the number of currencies in each sort. Let the number of rupees 5 currency be x and rupees 10 currency be y and rupees 20 currencies be z. By first condition, x plus y plus z is equal to 12. There are 12 pieces, isn't it? So 5, 10 and 20 rupees. 5 rupees, 10 rupees and 20 rupees. It is x, y and z. By second condition, 5x plus 10y plus 20z is equal to 105. 5, 10 and 20 rupee currencies whose value is 105. So we can reduce this. Divide by 5. 5 ones are 5x plus 5 twos are 10y plus 5 fours are 20z is equal to 5 twos are 10, 1 5s are 5. Taking this as second equation. By third condition, 10x plus 5y plus 20z is equal to 105 plus 20. Why? Because it is given that by interchanging in the numbers, the value will be increased by rupees 20. First two sorts are interchanged. So 10x plus 5y plus 20z is equal to 105 plus 20 increased. So 10x plus 5y plus 20z is equal to 105 plus 20 is 125 by third condition. So take, even you can reduce this using 5. Divide by 5. 5 twos are 10. X plus 5 ones are 5 plus 5 fours are 20. Z is equal to 4z is equal to 12. And in second equation, 4 remains as it is. So multiply with 1 gives x plus 2y plus 4z is equal to 21. Okay. Now change the sign. Minus, minus, minus. Cancel. Different sign. So 3x different sign plus 2y is equal to 12 minus 21 minus 12. So 1, 9. Minus 20. Minus 21 is greater, so minus 9. Taking this as fourth equation. Taking first and second equation. First equation, to cancel z we have to multiply with 4. First equation multiply with 4 gives 4 into x plus 4y plus 4z is equal to 4 2s are 8, 1 4s are 4, 48. And second equation leave as it is, multiply with 1 x plus 2y plus 4z is equal to 21. So to cancel we have to subtract because we have same sign. So change the sign. Cancel. 4x minus 3x minus 1 is 3x. 4 minus 2 plus 2y is equal to 8 minus 1 7. 4 minus 2 2. Taking this as fourth equation. Now taking second and third equation. Second equation is multiplied with, so we have 4z and 4z commonly. Need not take as it is. Second equation x plus 2y plus 4z is equal to 21. Third equation 2x plus y plus 4z is equal to 25. So change the sign so that you can cancel z. You are doing subtraction. So 2x minus x is minus x. 2 is greater, minus x. 2 minus 1 is 1y. 2 is greater. Cancel. 25 minus 21 is 4. 25 is greater. Minus 4. Taking this as fifth equation. Now you can see third equation and fifth equation, same variable x and y. If you need to cancel x, go with the multiplication of 3 to fifth equation. If you need to cancel y, multiply with 2 in fifth equation. So I am going to cancel y. So fourth equation as is into 1 gives 3x plus 2y is equal to 27. In fifth equation multiply with 2. So minus x, 2 into x, 2x plus 2 into y, 2y is equal to 2 4s are 8. Change the sign. So plus, minus, plus. Write as subtraction. Cancel. Same sign. 5x is equal to 27 plus 8. 7 plus 8. 15, 1, 35. X is equal to 35 by 5. Therefore, x is equal to 5 1s are 5, 7 5s are 35. Substitute x value in fourth or fifth equation. Substitute x is equal to 7 in fourth equation. 3x plus 2y is equal to 27. 3x is 7 plus 2y is equal to 27. 7 3s are 21 plus 2y is equal to 27. 2y is equal to 27 plus 21 will become minus, plus 21 will become minus 21. So subtract 7 minus 1 6. So 27 minus 21 is 6. Now y divide with 2. Therefore y is equal to 2 1s are 2 3s are. Y is equal to 3. So x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 3. Substitute in first equation, x plus y plus z is equal to 12. Taking first equation, x plus y plus z is equal to 12. Substitute the value of x. X is equal to 7 plus y is equal to 3 plus z is equal to 12. So add 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus z is equal to 12. Z is equal to 12 plus 10 become minus 10. Therefore, z is equal to 2. Therefore, number of currencies, in 5 rupees note is 7 and number of currencies in rupees 10 is 3 and number of currencies in rupees 20 is 2. So students, we have come to the end of this exercise. Practice all the sums. You will be asked 1 5 mark from this